Hi there, and welcome. My name is Dr. Cyanide, and this is my overly intricate Iron Man project. It's been quite a while since my last YouTube update video, but I've been making smaller videos on TikTok. Check me out over there at Dr. Cyanide1 if you want more regular updates. A relatively minor update, I added wrist rotation. My hope is this will let me naturally greet people at conventions while still being able to strike a power pose. Speaking of the wrist, all those red panels you see are removable with just a few screws. This should allow me to have a battle-damaged version and a pristine version that I can swap out to, and potentially even a clear version of the suit that'll let me show off my electronic work. The wrist guard is doing triple duty. While acting as decoration, it also hides the wrist-mounted laser, and also hides my speaker system for the hand. It didn't capture well in my recordings here, and I'm not sure if that's just bad design with how I have the speaker, or if the speaker itself isn't capturing well on camera. It sounds a lot louder in real life. My finger controls actually work now, but they could use some improvements. The sensors in the fingertips slide around, and that makes it hard to get consistent results. The electronics in the hand are also currently modular. There's a connector going to the wrist, as well as pinned connectors going to each of the finger sensors, with room to add an additional one. I think that's all for this update video. I can promise if you subscribe, I won't spam you with update notifications, so you can leave the bell on. Remember to keep chasing your dreams, even if it's a small step at a time.
Hey! Ow!
Oh, it is a tight fit, sir.
Hey!
So the more you struggle, the more this is going to hurt.
Be gentle, it's my first time. I designed this to come off, so... Ow! Hey! Everyone should be...
Please try not to move.
Hey!
What's going on here?